Hello everyone and welcome to week 15 of English 120. This week you'll begin by watching this brief lecture. You'll need to sign up, you'll need to attend the conference that you signed up for, and these are worth 50 points, so it's a big loss if you did not sign up for one. And we will be continuing to read Log of the Snark this week. We'll read from 286 to 327, and you'll be completing a journal entry. So let's start with Log of the Snark. Please answer the following questions about pages 286 to 327, and please note you are expected to support your answers with quotations from the text and outside sources. This type of work will prepare you for the, we will be having a final on Log of the Snark, and doing this work will prepare you to do well on that final. So please begin by looking up the history of the next island that they visit, and that's Ephate in the New Hebrides. Tell me what the history is and the location of where it's located. Also, Jack London has gotten this disease called Yaz, and he treats it in a certain way. I'd like you to tell me a little bit about how he treats it, and let me know if now, in the future, now we know that there were long-term effects from this treatment. Could you tell me what those long-term effects could be? What contributing factors led to Charmian's attitude toward the native people of the Solomons? Why are Jack and Charmian so afraid of Melita? What is the history of this island? What is the dynamic between men and women on the islands they visit in the Solomons, and how does Charmian feel about that? What is the history of the island of Ugi? How do Jack and Charmian spend the 4th of July on Ugi? How does Charmian describe life on the Penduffryn plantation in Guadalcanal? What is the history of this place? And what can it tell us about life on plantations during this period? All right, so we are almost done with our research project. This is week 15, and we'll be having conferences on your draft 1. You will have had to have turned in draft 1 to have conferences. I have several scheduled for tomorrow, Tuesday, and I look forward to talking to you about your draft. When you come to your conference, please make sure you bring a hard copy of your paper, and also please plan to spend about 15 to 30 minutes with me talking about your paper. All right, guys, that's it for this week. Super short lecture. Want to give you time to work on your papers, and as always, please email me if you have any questions.